Hi guys, welcome back to the Pokehunting TCG channel. So today we've got the blisters for Phantasmal Flames. We've got the two 3-pack blisters and the two premium checklane blisters with a pack apiece. So let's get into them. So we'll start off with the Hydro Apple premium checklane. So we get the Cosmos Foil Hydro Apple with a Diplin and Applin. And we get a pack of Phantasmal Flames. So we've got a Pormo on the reverse with a Milcery and a Zacian. So onto the Blaziken checklane. So we get the pack. Blaziken on the Cosmos Hollow with Combusken and Torchic. And the pack. We've got Oddish, Blowtorch and Flygon. Right, so onto the 3-packs. So we've got the Weavile here, Mega Evolution Promo 21. So there's the Weavile with the Cosmos Hollow effect. Bit bowed though. And 3 packs. 2 Charizard packs. So let's do the Heracross first. So we've got a Porby, Cresselia and a Suicune. Right, first Charizard pack. And another Pormy with an Archaludon and Mega Gengar on the EX. That's our first hit of the video. Right, so we've got a Gligar, Jumbo Ice Cream and Rotom EX on the full art. Right, so onto the Sneasel 3-pack. Right, so this one's bowed the other way. But Mega Evolution promo number 20. Cosmos foil again. Oh, duh. Right, so 3 packs. 2 Gengar and a Heracross again. So we've got a Haunter with a Battle Cage and Zacian. Gengar pack. And we've got a Flygon with the Battle Cage and Mega Diancie on the EX. Right, so last pack, and we've got a Pawmot with a Gramble and a Mega Lopunny on the EX. So we had 8 packs and got ourselves 4 hits. 3 EXs and the Rotom EX on the full art, plus obviously the 2 promos and the Cosmos foil variants. Right, that'll do it. Thanks guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.